Welcome to our channel. We are excited to dive into Jane Austen's classic novel, Pride and Prejudice. If you are joining us, we highly recommend checking out our previous video, which covered chapters 13 and 14. This video will pick up where we left off and continue our journey through the story. So watch the previous video to get the full context and follow along with us as we explore Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy's captivating tale of love and misunderstandings. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of 19th century England and the social complexities of high society. Let us get started. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. In chapter 15 of Pride and Prejudice, Elizabeth receives a surprise visit from Mr. Darcy. The holiday is a turning point in their relationship, as Mr. Darcy uses the opportunity to propose marriage to Elizabeth. Throughout the novel, Darcy is portrayed as aloof and reserved, and his behavior toward Elizabeth is distant and condescending. However, in this chapter, the reader sees a new side of Mr. Darcy as he reveals his true feelings for Elizabeth and the reasons behind his behavior towards her. Mr. Darcy's proposal is awkward and uncomfortable as he candidly reveals his disapproval of Elizabeth's family and that he believes her to be beneath his social standing. However, despite his love for her, he believes that his proposal is for Elizabeth's good and that she would benefit from the financial security and social prestige that marriage to him would bring. Elizabeth is shocked and offended by Mr. Darcy's proposal, as she sees it as a condescending and insulting offer. She refuses him outright and gives a passionate speech defending her family and feelings. She accuses Mr. Darcy of being proud and arrogant and insults her and her family. In this chapter, the reader sees the climax of the conflict between Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy as their differing perspectives and attitudes toward social status and family collide. Through Elizabeth's refusal of Mr. Darcy's proposal, the reader sees her growth as a character and develops a strong sense of self-respect and dignity. Overall, Chapter 15 of Pride and Prejudice is pivotal in the novel, as Mr. Darcy's marriage proposal stage for the bitter conflict between him and Elizabeth. The chapter highlights social status, pride, and the importance of considering multiple perspectives in forming opinions and making decisions. Through Elizabeth's refusal of Mr. Darcy's proposal, the reader sees her growth as a character and her determination to stand up for her owners and values. In chapter 16, Mr. Darcy provides Elizabeth with a letter explaining his reasoning behind the events that have transpired in their relationship thus far. The chapter serves as an opportunity for the reader to gain a deeper understanding of Mr. Darcy's character and his motivations. In the letter, Mr. Darcy confesses that he has been in love with Elizabeth since they met, but he struggles with marrying someone from a family he considers beneath his social standing. He also acknowledges that he has been proud and aloof and that his behavior towards Elizabeth and her family resulted from his embarrassment about his feelings. However, he also reveals that his opinion of Elizabeth's family changed after he witnessed the behavior of her mother, Sister Lydia, and cousin Mr. Collins. He accuses them of needing to improve etiquette and manners and be more suitable to associate with members of his social circle. He believes that Elizabeth is the only member of her family with the potential to improve her social standing and that marriage to him would be a way for her to do so. The letter is a turning point in the novel, providing the reader with new information and a deeper understanding of Mr. Darcy's character. Through the letter, the reader sees Mr. Darcy's struggles with social status and begins to sympathize with him in a way that is not impossible. Overall, Chapter 16 of Pride and Prejudice is crucial in developing the relationship between Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy. Through Mr. Darcy's letter, the reader sees a deeper understanding of his motivations and a new perspective on the events that have transpired thus far. In addition, the chapter highlights the themes of pride, social status, and the importance of considering multiple perspectives in forming opinions and making decisions. We hope you enjoyed this summary of chapters 15 and 16 of Pride and Prejudice. There is still so much more to come, with plenty of twists and turns in this timeless classic. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for immediate updates as we take you through each chapter of this beloved novel. Furthermore, if you still need to read the book, do not worry. You can quickly get a copy by clicking the link in the description below. Get ready to fall in love with the world of Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy all over again, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.